This client's hair is extremely dense. That's how many hairs per square inch, and each individual hair strand is fine. She hasn't really been taking care of it properly. She's been using detergent shampoos, lots of foam, and lots of gel. In one session, I transformed her hair using a Demi permanent conditioning treatment. It is the CBD molecular mending treatment. Just look at her hair before. You can see how dry and devitalized her hair is. And that's why it's frizzy, because the hair strand, the individual hair strands are devitalized. What it does is it messes up the hair's ability to naturally coil. Like I said, in one session, I'm going to transform her dry, devitalized hair into this beautiful, healthy, brown hairstyle. We used a curling wand. We didn't want to do the traditional smooth. Oh, and this is the product we used. We used the CBD Pro 3-in-1 molecular mender. It restores the hair shaft, it tames frizz, it seals split ends, and it lasts up to 10 washes. It's a 2-part treatment. You mix the 2 parts together, you apply it to freshly cleaned damp hair, you comb it through, and then you put them under an ionic hood dryer for up to 20 minutes. And this is her hair. Once the product has been absorbed, you can see the difference in her texture. You can see it's not so fly away. You can see her natural coil pattern coming back. This is what this 3-in-1 molecular mender will do. Give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the bell. I was amazed how good this product works on textured hair. Now, you won't see these kind of demi-permanent treatments in your Sally's or your Korean beauty supply stores. You won't even see this product in your Cosmoprop store. This is a professional-only, instantly reconstructor for damaged hair. You don't have to cut those straggly straight ends off. You can heal them, and this is the product that will help you get there. You can buy all of the products and tools that I use on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com. This is the before, right? There was no defined coil. This is her hair after the treatment. Now, you apply the product, you put a plastic cap on her, you sit her under the dryer, and then you rinse it out with tepid water. And this is what you get, right? You can see those white patches on the hair is the hair conditioner that wasn't absorbed. Now, the good thing about this product is it will only be absorbed in the hair that is damaged. This is her hair after we used the ionic blow dry brushes, the round blow dry brushes. You can buy those on our platform. This was the before, dry, deep, vitalized, no defined coil pattern. Oh, to comb her out, right? We used this CBD instant frizz remedy. It's super light, it's super liquid, and this is her hair after it's combed out. Once you have the conditioning treatment, it eliminates all of the snarls, and it makes it easy to comb out. No foam, no mousse, no silicone, no sulfates. Look how beautiful and healthy her hair is. We just used the round brush, the ionic round brush, and I used our titanium flat iron. Once again, I used our titanium flat iron to smooth and polish her hair. I did not use a pressing comb of any kind. This is the 21st century. We don't need any pressing combs. I finished and sent her home with our nourishing lipid serum. It's amazing. It's lightweight. It's absorbed instantly. It's non-greasy, and that's going to help fight the frizz and keep her hair smooth and shiny in between salon appointments. Look at her hair. No pressing comb. You saw her natural hair. You saw the before. You saw the after. This was a rebonding treatment. It lasts up to 10 shampoos. It's amazing. Come visit us on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.